Hey guys, and welcome to Tip Tuesday. Today's video I'm going to show you how to customize setting and translucent powders to match your skin tone a little bit better than how they come in the package. I have medium olive skin tone, so it's very hard to find a banana powder or a peach colored powder that suits my skin tone just right. White translucent powders are too stark white on me, so this is how I customize them. Hopefully this will help you guys and you enjoy this video. What you need is a flour sifter and your favorite powders. I use RCMA, which comes in the most horrible packaging, so I put it in a travel soap dispenser and I leave that in my vanity. I have a banana powder that I enjoy by a brand called Graftobian. I have Patrick Starr's collab powder with MAC, and I have the cult fave Coty Airspun. Sometimes the RCMA is too bright white for me. I have medium to olive skin tone. In the summer I get really dark, in the winter I get somewhat pale. So I have to alter them, or else the yellow looks way too yellow, or the pink looks too pink, or the white is too stark white. So this is how I do it. I have several of these, which I got at the dollar store. They have very good secure lids, so you can get something like this. If you want something smaller, they come in a smaller size. Or you can order these, which I prefer to travel with. These are actual powder sifters. I got them on eBay. They were two for $1.99. As you can see, the sifter comes right out, and it's easy. It's got a mirror, and you can travel with it. I will leave a link down below so that you can find these if you're interested. Okay, so what you want to do is first I'll do the yellow powder and lighten that a bit. So you'll take a little bit of the Graftobian banana powder, and yes, I'm using a lot because I will use this every day for quite some time. And then you want to cut it with some of the RCMA. I use RCMA for all of this because I like the texture of it the best. So I'll add 2 of the RCMA. Then you want to attach the sifter. Make sure it's on there good and tight. And then what you want to do is get a paper plate. You want to turn this over on your plate and just crank it out and let it sift out into the plate. And this is the consistency of the powder. This is what it looks like next to it, so you can see the difference. You're going to pop out your sifter. And then, like I said, because this is a paper plate, it bends nicely and you have less of a mess. And yes, this can get a little messy. Make sure that's in there nice and tight. I'll clean them off with a wipey before I pack it away, and that one is done. This one is already a light peach, so it's not too bad for me. So what I'm going to do with this one is only take a little bit of the white, Patrick's powder. You can see how peachy orange it is, and you want to pour some of that here. Attach your sifter and do the same thing. Make sure all the powder is out. You don't want to waste it. And this is the consistency that you'll wind up with. Just a light peachy tint. We'll detach the sifter and put that in this one. You want to put your sifter in. Make sure it's in there nice and tight. And you are good to go. Get a wipey, clean off your containers, and you have your powders customized to your tone. Just so you can see the difference of how orange compared to now it's a light peach, and same with the yellow. It's a bright yellow and a pale yellow. So that completes this video. I hope to bring you more of these Tip Tuesdays in the future. There won't be giveaways on these videos, but there are giveaways on every other beauty video on my channel. I hope you enjoy this, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.